So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the text outline color on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, to add some text here, go to the top, press on text, and I'm just going to type in the word outline color, just like that. I'm then going to make the font a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, to first off add an outline, press on the text right here. Make sure that text is selected. Go down to this gear icon. Then go to says outline right here. Press on that. And then you can go ahead and I'll just change the color here to magenta for this demonstration, just like that. That's number one. So if you want to change the color, press on this right here. You can open up the color wheel. You can use the color slider, just the regular colors, the pencil crayons, whatever the case may be. And if you were to go ahead and just make it a little bit more prevalent right here, you can change this color to whatever you're looking for. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to edit the text outline color on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.